Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 1099 MISC reporting on Gemini. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify 1099 MISC reporting on Gemini, start by logging into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Accounts section located in the main menu. Select Tax Documents from the drop-down menu. Look for the 1099 MISC form listed among your available tax documents. Download the 1099 MISC form by clicking on the appropriate link. Open the downloaded form to review its contents. Check that your personal information is accurate, including your name and social security number. Review the income amounts reported in Box 7 for non-employee compensation. Compare these amounts to your transaction history on the Gemini platform. To access your transaction history, go back to the Accounts section. Click on Activity to view all your transactions throughout the year. Make note of any discrepancies between your 1099 MISC form and your transaction history. If you find errors, prepare to contact Gemini support for assistance. Gather any relevant documentation to support your claims. Submit a support ticket through the Gemini Help Center detailing the discrepancies. Follow any additional instructions provided by Gemini support. Once resolved, ensure that you keep copies of both the 1099 MISC and any communication with support for your records. You are now ready to accurately report your income when filing your taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.